CSS Float. Float is a CSS property used to move an element to the left or right of its container, so other content, usually text, can wrap around it. Examples: newspaper, articles and blogs. Properties: left, element moves to the left, text flows on right. Right, element moves to the right, text flows on left. None, default, no floating. Clear, prevent floating. Let's see, for example, a news channel. You can see the articles. The pictures float right and the text wrap left. Similarly, see another blog. The image float to right and the text float to left. This is another float example. In the article, the image float to right and the text float to left. To demonstrate float practically. Create a new float.html file. Let's insert HTML boilerplate and change the title to float. Now we will create a div container. Inside the container, we will take an image and a paragraph using Emmet code. To display image, put the link of already downloaded image in source attribute of image tag. In the paragraph, put dummy text using lorem. Just open the web page using live server. You can see the image is very large. Now, open our style.css file to apply CSS properties. Let's apply some properties on container. like width, minimum height, and border. Now, to decrease the image size, make the width and height 200 pixels. Link the CSS file into HTML file. Now you can see the image size is decreased. Now apply some padding to the container. Now apply Float Left property to the image. You can see the image is floating to left and text wrapped to right. Now we change the float to right. You can see now, the image is floating to right and the text wrapping to left. Now if we chain the float to none, so no floating and wrapping will occur. Now, copy and paste the previous paragraph to create another paragraph. You can see the second paragraph also wrapped to right. Now give class to second paragraph as 2. To apply clear property. Clear left will remove the wrapping. If the image is floating left, and if the image is floating right, then clear right will avoid wrapping text. Clear both will remove all types of floating left or right. If we apply clear on the first paragraph, that will also avoid wrapping. That was CSS Float Property. Thanks for watching. Stay with us for remaining tutorial.